This is my happy oat dance. Yum! Don't these just look scrumptious? Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, that is right. You read the title correct. We are making 4-ingredient energy oat balls. They're gonna be delicious. These are so delicious that you'll just want to eat all of them. Tastes so good. Fun fact about oats, half a cup of oats contains 13 grams of protein. Not only that, it's high in the soluble fiber beta-glucan, which reduces cholesterol and blood sugar while promoting a healthy gut bacteria. Come join me as I show you how to make these yummy and delicious raw vegan healthy oat energy balls. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. That really helps my channel. First thing is first, you're gonna need oatmeal for these oat balls. I like to use rolled oats as well as steel cut oats, some maple syrup, vanilla, and pitted dates. We're keeping it easy. All you need is a food processor. You can also add cinnamon as well as cacao nibs, but that makes it 6 ingredients and not a catchy title. Okay, so here I put some water in my pitted dates to make the dates easier to use. Next, I'm gonna take this oatmeal and place it in the food processor first. After my dates soak for a little bit, I'm going to add them to the food processor. Next is maple syrup. Add in the vanilla. Put the top on your food processor and let's start processing. A little tip is to take that date water and put it in the food processor so that your oat balls are easier to roll. This is how our mix should be looking. That was 4 ingredients, so this is just that optional time. If you want to add the cinnamon, if you want to add the cacao nibs, or honestly, if you want to add in any little ingredients to add that oomph to your oat balls, go ahead and do it. Get your energy oat balls. Treat yourself. The final step is to devour these. No, I'm kidding. But I could eat this whole thing. The real final step is to roll the oat balls and then boom, they're ready to eat. Woo! We are finished. These are honestly so delicious. They are perfect for the morning, for a snack, for an on-the-go treat. And the best part is they're so easy to make and so good for you. Well, thanks so much for watching this video. If you did try out this recipe, please leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next video.